everyone, welcome back to Thulani Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha from the 6th to the 10th of March 2023 on Monday. Luzuko receives an unexpected guest in the middle of celebrating Dando. Msimelelo must do what needs to be done to feed his family on Tuesday. Dando keeps catching heat despite his many apologies. Thulani and Anati have to work together to throw Bulela off. Msimelo's effort are thwarted on Wednesday. Zimkita leaks a fabricated document to a journalist about Captain Roy. Social media is abuzz, and Dando comes to Msimelo's rescue during shootout on Thursday. Msimelo continued to hunt for a counselor. Anati and Thulani continue to torture each other. Luzuko has begun to lose hope, but Zimkita refuses to give in on Friday. Thulani confesses his feelings for Anati to someone very dear to him, but doesn't get the response he was hoping for. Msimelelo comes up with a diabolical idea to get Mandla to spill the tea. Luzuko's talk with the girls goes horribly wrong. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.